Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about the techniques of SEO, search engine optimization. We will start doing or creating backlink for our website. So this video is just an overview or a blueprint for SEO. But before we go any further, I would like to show you the graph of daily visitors. So here we have there are 317 total visitors, 1404 total page views with 463 spiders crawling our website. Here is the graph, the latest hit and the keyword. But in this keyword, in this latest search terms, we are getting traffic from Yahoo. Most of the traffic or all. We are got a visitor from 10th of February with this keyword from Yahoo, and all other are from Yahoo. Okay, and so we have 3 posts on our website. As you go to post, and let me show you, there are one, it is in draft, it is published, no, it's also in draft, this one and this one. So we have 3 posts on our website. Let me show you on the index page. So the best waterproof camera 2014 under $200, the best Windows 8 laptop 2014, and the best budget gaming laptop. And I have given a monetizing link in our post, and here we have a monetization link of Amazon Associates. So before we go further, I would like to show you my account. I have newly created a Amazon affiliate account, and if I show you the stats, so in the month of February there are 21 clicks and 3 items are ordered. If you click to view the full report, you can see that these products are purchased from my affiliate link. It's a memory card, it's a battery and a camera, and the percent I'm getting is 4% because it's a new account, and I will get 4% of the total money. Okay, so now we are going to do off-page SEO. So before I start or show you what is the SEO or how to do is, you need to optimize something. Like I have created a blueprint. So the basic of SEO is, the first thing is quality over quantity. Make sure that in the later 2009 to 2010, it was easy to rank on any keyword by creating so many backlinks. But now Google is changed, and Google is looking for the quality, not for the quantity. So it doesn't matter if a website have more than 1,000 backlinks, and if a website have only 10 quality backlinks. So Google will give the ranking to the website that have 10 backlinks, but they are quality backlinks, not the spammy backlinks. Okay. So SEO is based on 2 factors. The first one is on-page SEO, and the second one is off-page SEO. If your on-page SEO is not perfect, then no matter how hard you put effort to do off-page SEO, your content will not rank in Google engine and in any other search engine. So the basic factors are, the domain should be top level. It is not a compulsory, but if you have a top level domain, it is good. The top level domains are the domains that have or that contain the phrase and then .com, .net extension, like google.com, yahoo.com or microsoft.com. Okay, after that you must have your keyword in the URL. And if I show you any of our posts, say this one, and go to edit. So for this post, we are focusing this keyword, best budget gaming laptop 2014, and you must have your keyword in your URL. So if we check our URL, this thing here, we have our keyword in the URL, best budget gaming laptop 2014. The next thing is you must have your keyword in the title. So this is our title, and we have our keyword in the title, Best Budget Gaming Laptop 2014. You must have your keyword in the heading tags like H1, H2, H3. So this is our heading 1 and we have our keyword. This is our heading 2 and we have our keyword here. Okay. You must have images alt tags. Okay, images alt tags are the are used to, if someone search for Google images, and if you have image alt tag, it will very powerful to rank your images in Google search images. Alternative tag for the image, it means that you are giving a specific keyword or a key phrase to your image. So if you put your alt tags or the keyword in your images alt tags, it is good for search engine and for your website ranking. Now the next thing is your meta description should contain the keyword. If you are using Yoast SEO plugin, you will see that it is our meta description, and if we have our keyword in the meta description, it is good. It will help us to rank well in Google search engine. This is the meta description. You should use bold, italic, underline in your body. So I have used the bold. As you can see that our keyword is bold everywhere, and if you want to utilize the italic, you can choose the related phrases, like our keyword is best budget gaming laptop, so you can use, or you can do italic for the related phrase like laptop. And if I use this to laptop, if I do this laptop as italic, some other keyword like good laptop, and select it, do italic, and for the desktop I'm going to use underline. So we are highlighting these keywords, so Google's spider will know that this post is related to this keyword, or these are the related keyword of your post. Okay, so it is a good thing if you utilize the bold, italic, underline in your post. Okay, after that, use video images in your content. Okay, as I have used there is a video here with some images with alt tags in the images. Okay, and use unordered or ordered list, which is considered to be a good option. Like you can categorize the things that you are talking about, like some of the best waterproof camera are Canon, Nikon, Sony, Samsung, Panasonic, Fujifilm. The keyword density, it's a very important factor. Okay, let me show you what is it. So we are focusing this keyword, and if you utilize this keyword more than the keyword density, which is considered to be about 1 to 3. Okay, and if you go to page analyze, our keyword density is 1.17. okay, so I have used 1.7% from the all total text here with our keyword, and our keyword is best budget gaming laptop 2014. So you should be in radar. You don't just put your keyword anywhere in this page and assume that it's a good post. Okay, the another thing is, and your content must be unique. Okay, it's a very important factor. If your content is not unique, Google will consider it as a duplicate content and it will not give you ranking, because there is a penalty for duplicate content. So it is always recommended or suggested to that you write your content on your own, so you can maintain the keyword density, you can utilize all the other things, or you can also outsource the article. Okay, you must have a robot.txt file. I've already shown you what is a robot.txt file. You can find your robot.txt file on the root domain, after that a backslash and then robot.txt and press enter. So we are giving command to the spiders that don't visit here, here, here in these directories. Okay, and we have also given that you are allowed to visit here, and you can find our sitemap here in this URL. Okay, the sitemap for content media and mobile friendly website, and update your website on the regular basis. Okay, and this is a on-page optimization. So by considering all these points here, you can boost your ranking if you create your content by keeping in mind that you must use all these things. Your ranking will good enough in Google and all other search engine. So this is all for this on-page optimization. Let's go to off-page optimization. Okay, now as I have shown you before, quality is over quantity. So now it doesn't matter if you create so many spammy backlinks and just waiting that my website will rank on this keyword or on that keyword. You should make sure that all your backlinks are quality backlinks and you are creating them by hands, not with any tool. Okay, so the first thing is make sure that you create your brand social profile, like the Facebook page, the Twitter account, the LinkedIn profile, the Pinterest account, as we have already created. And then you submit your website to the search engine like Google or Bing Webmaster Tool. You give social signals to your post like Facebook share, Twitter tweets, we have already given. So this post have 43 Facebook share or like, 43 Twitter tweets or retweets, and it's not showing up G+ and LinkedIn and Pinterest, but we have some Pinterest pin and Pinterest likes. The relevant content. Okay, whenever you create your backlink, make sure that you are creating a backlink relevant to your niche. Like our niche is review, and if I create backlinks on a website that is related to credit card, then it is not good to create a backlink on on the niche that is not related to your niche. Always create backlinks that is related to your niche. Okay. The web page rank. Okay, the page rank is something that Google consider or Google used to rank pages in the search engine. The no follow and do follow. Okay, these are some HTML tags used to if a web page have a no follow tag, it means that if you create a backlink on a no follow link, it means that Google will not consider your backlink, or Google will not check your backlink. Google will not follow your backlink. And in other hand, if you create a backlink on a do follow web page, it means that Google will visit the web page, Google will check your backlink, and it will index your backlink. But it is good to create a ratio of something like you create 10 do follow links, then make sure that you create 3 no follow backlinks to maintain the ratio. Okay. The anchor text diversity. It means that you create a backlinks and you give an anchor text like the focus keyword, which is you create all the backlinks with best waterproof camera 2014. You create hundreds of backlinks. So that is a spamming, or that is a penalty. Make sure that you utilize like all other generic keywords like click here, or the brand name, or the website nagged URL, or the post nagged URL. So we will use this thing when we will create the backlinks. And the last is outbounded backlinks. Okay, this means here that the web page you are creating backlink do not have outgoing links, not even a single, but I'm talking about a web page that have thousands or millions of outgoing backlinks. Outgoing backlinks are the links that are going outside from any page. Like in this page, the outgoing backlinks are, the outbounding links are this link, this link, this link here. And if you create a backlink on the page that have so many outgoing backlinks, so make sure that you use this thing. you don't create the backlink on the pages that have so many outbound backlinks. Like for an average 10 to 12 or 15 is good enough to create backlink. Okay, so these are the basics of on-page and off-page. You can access this document in the supplementary section. I have also created the backlink building. Here it is. So I have categorized all the backlinks. Like you can find the Web 2.0 properties along with the page rank, the document sharing website with the page rank, the video sharing, the social bookmarks, the article submission, the URL shorten, the wiki, infographics, and the anchor text. Okay, and here is some resource to optimize your website. Like if you want to index your backlink, you can use this website. They all are free, by the way. And if you want some tools, you can visit this website. And to check the website speed, these are the website. If you want to find some edu and gov backlinks, you can use this website. If you want to get a backlink report of any website, you can use this website. And these are some web optimization website that will give you grade, or that will show you where is your website standing. Okay, so from now we will start off-page SEO. And now you will probably thinking that I don't have the huge links, like the 1,000 links. But if you create backlinks on this website with handmade property, like you visit, create an account and create a backlink with your hand, the one backlink is equal to the hundreds of backlink with a tool. So I always prefer to create backlinks with my hands. It's a time consuming task, but it will give you the better result than the tools or the automated tools. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it. And you can access this whole details, like this basic of SEO, the backlink building, in the supplementary section of this video or in this video series. Okay, so thank you.